YouTube Studio. Today, we will talk about this in detail. So please, before starting, subscribe our channel for more best content about YouTube. YouTube Studio is a free tool provided by YouTube that helps creators manage their channel, videos, and audience. It's a centralized dashboard that offers insights, analytics, and features to optimize video performance, engage with viewers, and grow your channel. Here's a detailed overview of YouTube Studio. Key features. 1. Dashboard. A customizable homepage that displays key metrics such as views, engagement, and earnings. 2. Video Manager. Manage video titles, descriptions, tags, and thumbnails in bulk. 3. Analytics. In-depth analytics including views and watch time, engagement, likes, comments, shares, audience retention, earnings and revenue. Audience. Understand your viewers, including demographics, age, gender, location, interests and preferences, device and playback location. Comments. Manage comments, including filtering and moderation, pinning and highlighting comments, responding to comments. End screens and cards. Add interactive elements to videos, including end screens, links, channels, playlists, cards, links, channels, playlists. 7. Playlists. Manage and optimize playlists, including playlist analytics, playlist editing. Monetization. Manage monetization options, including AdSense integration, sponsorships and merchandise, YouTube Premium revenue. Settings. Channel settings, including channel description and tags, channel art and branding, notification preferences, benefits. 1. Improved video performance. Optimize video titles, tags, and thumbnails for better discoverability. 2. Enhanced engagement. Respond to comments, engage with audience, and build a community. Data-driven decisions. Make informed decisions based on analytics and insights. 6. Time saving. Manage channel and videos in one place, reducing administrative tasks. 6. Growth opportunities. Identify areas for growth and improvement. Accessing YouTube Studio. 1. Sign into your YouTube account. 2. Click on the profile icon in the top right corner. 3. Select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. Tips and best practices. Regularly check analytics and adjust strategies accordingly. 2. Engage with audience through comments and community posts. 3. Optimize video titles, tags, and thumbnails for better discoverability. Use end screens and cards to enhance viewer experience. 5. Keep channel settings up to date and consistent. By utilizing YouTube Studio, creators can streamline their workflow, gain valuable insights, and grow their channel more effectively. Thanks for watching our videos.